Hello, I'm Steve Fisher, the CEO of GEM Services, and I'd like to show you how to reduce operating costs on energy projects using our industrial IoT solution. These are access mats, and they're used on most remote construction projects. The mats create temporary roadways and work platforms. A typical mat is 8 foot by 14 foot, weighs about a ton, and there are over 4 million mats in North America. Mats are hard to keep track of. A large project can have more than 50,000 mats, and the mats are always being moved. The problem is we've relied on staff to count every mat they install, record that on paper, then submit it to a project manager who must verify those numbers. It is a time-consuming process, and inevitably those numbers are inaccurate. This manual process leads to excessive costs and project delays. A business case with SNC-Lavalin estimated is a $500 million per year industry-wide problem. Our SmartMat service is the solution. We use low-cost, proprietary RFID technology embedded into our mats. The GPS tracking, operator interface, and cloud connectivity all reside in our heavy equipment. We've effectively turned these big machines into data collection centers and project information portals. All of the data from the field is then available to our clients through our cloud-based SmartMat platform, complete with digital maps and project analytics. We've been using SmartMat for over a year to manage our projects, and it has been a game changer. In 2013, my partner George put 100,000 kilometers on his work truck to manage our jobs. Now he can sit in our office and watch projects happen in near real time. So a process that used to be paper-based and ineffective in every way now looks like this. This is a screenshot from our live dashboard. It is a pipeline installation for tourmaline. The red line is pixels, with each pixel being an individual mat. The blue splotches are mats that are available for use. The green circle is kind of like a microscope. It can be dragged around to review specific data. We can overlay project maps about safety hazard or environmentally sensitive areas, which is a great function as linear projects have the risk of spreading invasive species. There is an expensive process to clean and decontaminate mats between projects, and SmartMat eliminates excessive cleanings, but more importantly removes the liability by tracking mats that have been sterilized. The dashboard also serves as a one-stop shop to track all matting related costs, including the trucking and equipment expenses. And it helps with project planning by understanding when mats will be available for the next job. When we began, we thought we were tracking assets. Now we realize we are optimizing the entire project. But really, we're just getting started. Because we came from the matting industry, it is the SmartMat beachhead market. We have been working with SAIT to develop specific RF hardware to work in our challenging environment. With their R&D support, we can capture the market for tracking all assets that are moved by heavy equipment. We've also been designing software to upload project plans to the tablet inside the cab of the heavy equipment. Our operators won't need to be told what to do. The system will guide their actions. Couple all of this with the power of Predix, and the opportunities are endless. But we think the greatest opportunity here in the Innovation Center is collaborating with GE and other innovators. Imagine a project planning and execution program that can digitally build and test fit an entire construction plan before the first person even steps onto the site. Then track every part and tool through a project delivery solution to ensure everything is where it needs to be when you need it. The future of optimized project execution will be built on the Predix platform. So that's it in a nutshell. SmartMat will reduce costs, provide automated transparent reporting, and optimize project execution. Thanks for your time, and we look forward to working with you. If you have any questions, please just let us know.